Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. News headlines for 22nd April. First of all, national news. Wear face mask at crowded places. Punjab government advisory. India to push ahead with 6 airbags in cars despite resistance. India airbag guidelines. 12 test positive for COVID-19 at IIT Madras. 7 Electoral Trust received a total amount of 258.49 crore from corporates and individuals, and the BJP bagged more than 82% of it, poll rights body ADR said. UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, who is on a 2-day visit to India, met industrialist Gautam Adani on Thursday. CBI filed case in 2 Jammu and Kashmir projects ex-governor had alleged corruption. The historic Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement between India and the UAE will come into effect on May 1st, an Emirati minister said today. And now some international news. The Spanish and Danish prime ministers will visit the Ukrainian capital of Kyiv on Thursday to support the Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky, officials said. 5 killed, 50 injured in blast at Moscow in Afghanistan's Mazar-e-Sharif. Shanghai people not free to fly out of homes as COVID cases tick back up. Los Angeles, a 6.7 magnitude earthquake struck off the western coast of Nicaragua on Thursday, the United States Geological Survey said. Queen Elizabeth's 96th birthday marked with gun salute on Thursday. Queen Elizabeth II is head of state of Britain and 14 other Commonwealth countries around the world. Elon Musk is Twitter's second largest shareholder. And now some sports news. Premier League club Manchester United on Thursday announced the appointment of Erik ten Hag as its new full-time manager. Asian Wrestling Championships. Sarita Moore Shushma Shokeen won a bronze medal at the Asian Wrestling Championships. And now let's have a look on weather. The weather on 22nd April will be very hot with temperatures reaching 36 degrees Celsius. During the evening and night time, the temperature will drop to 29 degrees Celsius. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.